Broom and gorse are two common declared woody weeds that invade roadsides, farmland and native vegetation throughout Tasmania. They are costly to both the environment and economy and increase the risk of bushfires due to their flammability. Broom and gorse are excellent invaders as they grow quickly and spread easily from the large amounts of seed that these plants produce. When the seed pods are ripe, they explode, sending the seeds up to 5 metres away from the parent plant. The seeds can remain viable in the soil for up to 20 years or more, making long-term follow-up control essential. Broom and gorse can be controlled in the same way, however the best methods depend on the size of the infestation and the site. Gorse leaves are extremely spiky, so please always wear protective clothing, eye protection and steady gloves when working with this plant. If you have a small number of seedlings, they are okay to be hand-pulled. Be sure to dig thoroughly around the base of the stem with a trowel and tease out the root gently. Snapping it off will mean that the root will re-sprout. Cut and paste can also be used for smaller infestations. Find the stem closest to the ground, cut it with secateurs and paste with neat glyphosate in a dabble bottle. Use marker dye so that you can see where you have been. It is important to apply the chemical within 15 seconds of making the cut for effective chemical uptake. Cut stems that have seeds attached should either be left on the site to prevent any accidental spread or piled up and burnt. The best time to spray the foliage is when plants are actively growing in spring and summer. Before using any herbicides, please refer to the safety information on the label. We use triclopyr and a good quality wetting agent, which helps the chemical penetrate the leaves. We recommend Pulse if you are working away from a river. If you are working near a waterway, please use a bioactive glyphosate product. We use either Roundup Bioactive or Weedmaster Duo. Both contain a wetting agent that will improve uptake of the herbicide through the leaves. For very large and dense infestations, mechanical removal using a bulldozer can be an option. However, this level of disturbance will move seed deeper into the soil, so a long-term follow-up schedule will be required. Burning can be an effective step in controlling large infestations, as fire destroys large amount of seed in the soil and stimulates the remaining seeds to grow. Burning gorse and broom is often suggested as a management tool to remove the bulk before follow-up spraying when the seedlings or stems reshoot. Gorse is highly flammable and fire may work to a degree. However, in our experience, this method leaves multiple burnt stems sticking out of the ground, which can be difficult to manage, particularly if we would like to cultivate the land. Broom is also less flammable, so if you wish to use fire, it is recommended that the infestation is sprayed first to kill the plants, before burning to clear the site. The best time to plan a burn is several months after spraying, when the plant stems are noticeably dead. It is crucial to follow up spray to kill new seedlings as soon as possible. Extreme care needs to be taken when burning near native vegetation, fences, buildings or infrastructure such as power lines. Annual follow-up treatment that combines the different methods here will be required for several years. Bare ground offers the perfect environment for weeds to take hold, so cultivating the area with crops or pasture grasses or revegetating with native plants will also help to reduce the amount of bare ground and hence reduce further weed infestation. If you would like any more information about weed control, please contact the Derwent Catchment Project. This Tasmanian Declared Weed series is proudly funded by the Tas Network's Community Partnerships Program.